Conveyor speed is optimal, harvest is steady.
Copy. Pressure up 5%. Flow is steady, maintain. Inlet now. Copy. Secondary feed engaging. Flow is steady. Check upper gauge. Levels are optimal. No adjustments needed. Confirmed. System is stable. Yeast dispensing initiated. Flow rate optimal. Confirmed. Mixture circulation is stable. Digital readouts updating. Process is exact. Injection complete. Ready for next cycle. pH is stabilizing at 6.8. Good. Temperature at 37 degrees. I'll adjust the flow rate. Watch the pressure. Pressure is steady at 1.2 bar. Excellent. Sync is perfect. Cooling systems are activating. Temperature is dropping. Confirmed. Flow is stabilizing at optimal levels. Good. Monitoring the output now. All systems are in sync. Precision is maintained. Color extraction is progressing steadily. Swirling motion indicates good pigment blending. The transformation is continuous and uniform. Sampling from tank 3, acidity is holding steady. Received, running the profile now. Initial esters are trending up, looks promising. Confirmed, we'll optimize the next batch. All indicators are stable, fermentation is complete. Confirmed, batch 27 is ready for the next phase. Green lights across the board, moving to transfer. Pressure's rising steadily. Good, keep it controlled. Flow is strong, watch the levels. Adjusting for maximum yield. Adjusting valve for precise flow. Monitor the levels closely. This barrel is nearly full. Confirmed, next barrel ready. This blend needs a touch more acidity. I agree, let's adjust the pH. Adding 5 milliliters of the acid solution. Good, check the balance now. Smoother, ready for the next sample. Pressure is optimal, flow is steady. Clarification is progressing, no blockages. Final stage complete, ready for bottling. Agreed, flow is perfect. Scanning this batch now. This one has a defect. Removing it. Line is clear. Next set. Pallet 23 confirmed. Copy that. Loading dock 3 is ready. Forklift 1 pallet secured. Moving to dock. Roger. Next batch incoming.